This video is about the fastest way to retrieve information from a huge amount of specific data. What is the weak point of search engines like Bing, Google and Yahoo? Working with your initial search result is very time consuming. The better search engine in specific segments of data is based on a HyperCube with ITP technology. Specific areas can be real estate, sports, automotive, drugs, medicine, aircraft, travel, science, space, and many others. The following example shows a search in new and used boats. The highest benefit of this kind of search is that you see always all data of a specific area of information in separate list boxes. You can start in each of these list boxes. In this example here, it's about boats. An entry point could be that you are interested in boats that are cruisers. You click on cruisers, you see that 26 of the example here with 35 boats are cruisers. Here you see the prices, the names of the boats, the year they are built, whether they are new or used, type is sailboat, the architect, the country where the boat is, the seller's phone number, internet address, location, and the seller itself. Each of the boat has an ID that is single and you can find it everywhere. If you click on 5, you see, for example, this here is a Baltic Sea boat, and now you know all the details of it. You see it's built for high sea, it has a wheel steering, and the hull speed is 9.5 knots. It can sleep 6 people, and it has a rear cockpit. If you want to know the dimensions, you click on this button here and you see how long it is, how wide it is, how deep it goes, the hull material itself, and so on. Now you want to see the power. It's a diesel engine, it has a sail drive and a Volvo Penta engine. And the rigging, it is a sloop, so it has one mast. It's from aluminum, the material of the mast, the mainsail, the Genoa, and so on. Another way to go in is that you set criteria. You say, I want to have a boat that goes high sea, has a wheel steering, and a rear cockpit. It has to have a diesel engine, and the rig should be a sloop and aluminum. If you go back to the overview here, you see the price of the boats, the name of the boat that meets these criteria, the manufacturer, where these boats are. And you say, I only want those on the Baltic Sea. Now you reduce it to 7 of the 36 boats. And now you can go into one boat and you see all the information that you need about this boat. You can also start looking for a particular boat. Here you go on search and you search for a boat by the name of Hanse 445. You click on this, select it, and you see the boat with all of the details, the rigging, the power, the dimensions, descriptions, and of course where the boat is and who the seller is. If you do the same search in Bing, for example, you get 1.2 million hits. If you do it with Google, you get 16.2 million hits, and with Yahoo you get 453,000 hits. Of what help is that? Let's say you want a new boat and your budget is about 150,000. So you select the first boats and you see which are meeting the criteria. So you say, well, interesting is maybe the one with 100,000. Here it is with all of the information that you need about it. You can also look for a particular architect like Judel and Volnick and you see 4 of those 35 boats are designed by them. You can go back, you can go by country and say only USA is of interest for me. You find the island packet. If your data are more detailed, then you can add new tabs up here and go to any detail of your information. This here is only an example. It is very easy to add new or other data. Thank you.